The American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials is pleased to announce that the 4th edition Roadside Design Guide is now available at the AASHTO bookstore. Developed by AASHTO's Highway Subcommittee on Design and its Technical Committee for Roadside Safety, this critical resource contains the latest practices and expertise on ways to prevent deaths and injuries by improving roadside safety. The 12-chapter, 356-page guide includes a new chapter on enhancing roadside safety for low-volume roads and streets, and it uses graphics and other visual enhancements to illustrate key topics such as economic evaluation, topography, drainage, traffic barriers, control devices, and fixtures like mailboxes. Last released in 2002, the new 4th edition is also available for the first time as a web-based publication. The web-based guide can be accessed immediately online through a web browser. No downloads or installation disks are necessary. The web-based guide also includes interactive features such as enhanced search and print capabilities and bookmarking. Users also have the ability to post questions and add notes. Web-based users also receive exclusive access to a variety of bonus materials, including links to related publications, websites, webinars, special videos, and software not available with the print or PDF versions. All purchasers can choose between a single and multi-user license, which has no annual renewal fee and comes with automatic publication updates as they become available. To purchase your copy, go to bookstore.transportation.org and search for publication code RSDG-4 or order by telephone at 1-800-231-3475.
Hello, my name is Keith Platty, Associate Program Director for Project Delivery with AASHTO. As a staff liaison to the AASHTO Highway Subcommittee on Design, I'm pleased to have this opportunity to talk with you about the new 4th edition of the Roadside Design Guide. This detailed publication was developed by AASHTO's Technical Committee on Roadside Safety. With this short video, I hope to provide you a brief overview of the contents of each chapter and the important highlights, updates, and revisions that have been made. Chapter 1, titled An Introduction to Roadside Safety, provides information on the history and benefits of roadside safety, as well as updated roadside crash statistics. Because Chapter 1 is the introduction to the new Roadside Design Guide, AASHTO is providing a free download of this chapter on the AASHTO online bookstore. Chapter 2, titled Economic Evaluation of Roadside Safety, focuses on various methods that designers can use when selecting appropriate alternative roadside safety enhancements. It specifically recommends the use of cost-benefit analysis to determine a ranking of alternatives in the absence of better local information. Chapter 3, titled Roadside Topography and Drainage Features, introduces the clear zone concept. The chapter includes suggestive relative clear zone values and several examples of their application. It should be noted that clear zone terminology is coordinated with the 6th edition AASHTO Green Book, and this chapter contains discussions on clear zone for auxiliary lanes. Chapter 4, titled Sign, Signal, and Luminaire Supports, Utility Poles, Trees, and Similar Roadside Features, includes information on the use of sign and luminaire supports within the roadside environment. This chapter covers both small and large signs, criteria for breakaway and non-breakaway supports, and other roadside features such as mailbox supports, utility poles, and trees. This chapter received major revisions stemming largely from research produced by the NCHRP 500 Volume 8 publication. This chapter is updated with the current MUTCD breakaway requirements. Chapter 5, titled Roadside Barriers, is another chapter that contains major revisions. The most important addition being the inclusion of test criteria from the AASHTO Manual for Assessing Safety Hardware, or MASH, and its implementation plan. This chapter also updates information on motorcycles and barrier design. It also recommends a reduction in runout length for barrier design and provides guidelines for upgrading existing systems. Chapter 6, Median Barriers, includes updated information on hardware including proprietary cable. Chapter 7, titled Bridge Railings and Transitions, contains information on appropriate bridge railings and has been updated to include discussion on MASH and LRFD. It also incorporates a new section titled Protective Screening at Overpasses. Chapter 8, titled End Treatments, underwent major revisions in this edition. This chapter provides current and state-of-the-practice information on barrier end treatments and crash cushions. It also includes a new table of comparison maintenance requirements for end treatments. Chapter 9, titled Traffic Barriers, Traffic Control Devices, and Other Safety Features for Work Zones, discusses the application of roadside safety concept for the temporary conditions found in construction or maintenance work zones. This chapter includes a new discussion of generic and proprietary portable concrete barrier designs, reduces the barrier deflection in the pinned barrier type systems, and discusses when to use water-filled barriers versus longitudinal channelizers. Chapter 10, titled Roadside Safety in Urban or Restricted Environments, also received extensive revisions. One of the most important is the description of the urban clear zone, both the minimum and desirable. This chapter also features updated information on the urban clear zone concept and discusses why a 1.5 foot minimum lateral offset is not a clear zone. Chapter 11, titled Erecting Mailboxes on Streets and Highways, provides information on mailboxes and mailbox turnout design, including vandal-proof mailboxes, secure locked mailboxes, and lightweight plastic designs. Because of the specific nature of this chapter, it will be available as an individual download PDF on the AASHTO online bookstore. The Roadside Design Guide also includes a new chapter, Chapter 12, titled Roadside Safety on Low-Volume Roads and Streets. This chapter discusses the application of roadside safety concept on very low-volume roads and streets. It highlights low-cost strategies, discusses clear zones for low-volume roads, and describes the roadside hardware appropriate for these facilities. Regarding additional revisions to the Roadside Design Guide, one key change is the coordination of terms and concepts with the new 6th edition, A Policy on Geometric Design of Highways and Streets, known as the Green Book, which is scheduled to be released in the fall of 2011. This coordination of terms between these two publications serves to create a more cohesive design of roadways and streets. The guide has also been updated to include hardware that has met the evaluation criteria in the NCHRP Report 350, Recommended Procedures for Safety Performance Evaluation of Highway Features. It also begins to detail the most current evaluation criteria contained under MASH. If you'd like to purchase a copy, it is available in 3 formats: print, electronic PDF, and for the first time, a web-based subscription publication which includes enhanced features and bonus material. To order your Roadside Design Guide, please contact the AASHTO Bookstore by phone at 1-800-231-3475 or visit us online at bookstore.transportation.org. This concludes the overview of the new 4th edition Roadside Design Guide. On behalf of the AASHTO Highway Subcommittee on Design and the Technical Committee on Roadside Safety, thanks for watching. I hope you will take advantage of this opportunity and order your copy today.